Hampi gang rape case wherein three tourists, including a 27-year-old Israeli woman, was allegedly gang raped and their male companions were pushed into a canal, after which one person was found dead. Karnataka Culture Minister Shivraj Tangadgi has confirmed that the third accused has now been arrested. The incident took place on March 6th when the group was stargazing in Hampi, and that is when this heinous crime took place. Now, as far as the investigation and the crackdown is concerned, third accused has been arrested from Tamil Nadu. These are the individuals who have been arrested by the Koppal police, and the third accused has been arrested from Tamil Nadu. Abhishek, a very good morning to you. Tell us about the investigation and also the latest arrest. Who are these individuals and what were they doing in Hampi?
Very good morning, Deepak. So the incident happened on the late night of 6th. It's on a Thursday when three male and two female from Anegundi wanted to stargaze, and they've been to a place which is no man's land. And these miscreants who were of local people in Gangavati, they had probably recce'd this place a couple of times, and they were 100% sure that no person would be around at that hour, and their intention might have been to probably sexually assault the woman. They only wanted a reason to go attack and have a word with them. That is why they've taken the name of the fuel or money. So with respect to these accused, they have, it is confirmed that they are the localites of Gangavati. Two were probably previously arrested. One has been secured the previous day in Tamil Nadu. With respect to what happens with these kind of people is the localites here are demanding that they should be shot down, because not ever in the history of Sanapura Lake this incident had occurred, and this will probably have a major hit on their tourism for another decade, is what the local people here say. Around 90 to 95% of the homestays have been vacated by the district police, and they have ordered no one should allow any localites to get inside the homestay for at least a couple of months. And the people who wanted to take a break from Israel war, they were the ones who were here in the homestays, and the attack happened on an Israeli woman who was 27 years old. So this message has reached to Israel, and the people who were supposed to come here have cancelled their bookings. So around 70% of their bookings have been cancelled to the homestays, is what one of the homestay owners spoke to Republic Network. So with respect to the investigation, these two people who were arrested, these two miscreants have been taken to the spot yesterday. The spot Mahajar has been done, and they have confirmed whatever activity they were on to end. We are waiting for the third accused to be brought to the place to get the spot Mahajar done, and we'll have to see what the justice or the court will have to announce and pronounce with respect to these miscreants. And also with respect to the safety precautions, there is a CAR or a DAR van which has been allocated at this junction. So this is the road where the incident, this is one of the roads which connect to Sanapura Lake. Behind is the boulders which you can see, and on the footsteps of those boulders was this incident. So Deepak,
That's right, Abhishek. Now third accused has been arrested, and spot Mahajar has been conducted to recreate what exactly happened. Thank you, Abhishek, for joining us.